Hello everyone. In the previous video we learned that what is the relationship, and now the time is to understand the relationship on the database side. Okay, we have in the previous videos we created this user table and this is the post table, right? And we also build the relationship of user and post. If I want to get the user post, right, how can I get the user post? So let's understand it. We seeded a user here which having this id of 1, and in the post table if I want to get this user 1 post, I need to add this user id as foreign key in the post table. So let's open this post table here, and after at the last we added this user id here. So this is the foreign key. So hover on it, so it's telling us that it's related to Hadi Niazi. If I want to get the user post, now I can get the user post because our foreign id is stored here. So this we added this user id. So why we name this user hyphen id? So our table name is users, and in the post we added this user id. So Laravel will get this from the relationship of the a post having relationship with the user. So now the Laravel will understand it that user having this model, right? And why we name this user id? Because we have other table name is users, so that's why we name this singular user and then type id. So Laravel will understand it from this user is belong to user model, right? This is a singular user model. Let me go to this one, and this is the user model. So Laravel will understand it from this model. So this is same as our model name user, and this is we added this user here, and then we type id. So Laravel will automatically understand that this is the this is related to user model. So we don't need to mention the local key and primary key, so we will discuss them in the next video. So hopefully you understood that how the relationship works in the database side. So let's go to the next video, so where we can implement the relationship one to one, one to many, many to many, and stuff like that. So stay connected.